Hello folks, we're on Mr. Chippy's bench and the background music is a bit higher than we normally have it, but never mind. It's been quite a few requests that we do another of these Chinese transistor radio kits. And I think some people would actually like us to do the same ones again, like the very good performing red one. But we're not going to do the same one again. We're going to do this. I'm going to do it in two parts. We'll put the radio together in one part, and then we'll do the alignment as a second section altogether so that people can look at that separately. So Mr. Chippy, are we going to open, this is it transistor or is it microchip? It looks like it's got chips in it. Yeah, how disappointing.
Yeah, it's one of them ZX devices, isn't it?
As long as it's got some alignment points. Oh, we'll be back to building another.
Yeah, there are some cores to do, so.
Yeah, good. And we'd have to set the variable capacitor anyway to the band things. So there we go. We've got the yellow one. Would it be possible to tip the contents out of the? Shall I get you a tub?
No, that'll be all right. I'll sort it.
So that we can see straight on that you've got that. Hold the blue thing to the yellow thing. There you go. So
it's that way up, isn't it?
And it's all in Chinese.
Good.
There you are. I know at the time they were under a fiver.
And there's your colour code in Chinese, which you'll need to know for the cores because they're colour coded.
Yes, and we do know one. It's a gate with an aerial on it.
I forgot which one it was.
Yeah, and Mr. Chippy's got one of these smartphone things where you can translate onto the screen direct. So our usual thing would be put resistors in, put the capacitors in, you know, in other words the smaller parts first, and it's all in Chinese, yeah?
Yeah.
Good.
There's no instructions.
There's
probably some at the bottom there. But
yeah, well you'll be able to get your translato phone out.
I've got translate on this one. Is there a translate app anymore? I don't know. No, I don't think you have an app anymore. I think you just use your phone. I know that sounds daft. Google Lens will do something. Translate.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Right, so it says
Our factory mainly produces various radios, including chip type digital display types.
so that doesn't help you assemble it at all.
No.
But some of it will be relevant, like those colour codes and that.
Go back to that bit actually. Where's the colour code bit? It's there. Yep. So black, brown.
Almost exactly the colour code order that it
It is, yeah.
and the rings it tells us about there, yeah. So anyway, I'll let you get on with putting some resistors and things in, and we'll come back to this when I've battled away on another job. So as you can see, Mr. Chippy's been putting parts on his printed circuit board, and then he's come up against a snag, which is a snag we had in the other ones we did, and that's out of spec capacitors. So let's have a look what that meter says.
Well, this is 473, so it should be 47,000 peak or 47 nano if you measure things.
I can just think I can see through the viewfinder. It says 32.
Yeah, it's not great. I mean, it's what are they good for? 50% these things.
Just tilt it slightly towards the camera. Yeah, 32.5, probably.
I don't think it's good enough. But
so we've got our own capacitor stash, which is there. Now let's see if we can find something a bit closer so we can actually get a result that's
So
worth having. What's this?
it's another 473. There were more than these, but some reason they've gone missing. Somebody's been on my bench.
Have they?
Yeah. That's even worse. It's 27. It's supposed to be 47.
You might be getting the ceramic posh ones out.
Yeah, I have a sneaky feeling the 473s in this kit weren't great either.
We check everything. You know what, folks? This is why, as somebody who's in electronics professionally, we pay a lot of money to buy things from RS and Farnell, and then you are assured they're going to be what they say they are. And people think, oh, why did you spend all that on one capacitor? Because it's right.
So this is out of the kit.
What you got?
26.58 millihenries. It doesn't even measure as a capacitor.
You know, so I'll tell you what, we'll get the higher quality kit out. So, sorry, what are you looking for? And because these are in different ranges.
Well, I'll need a few because, like I said, there's some missing now.
So is it 10?
I need 473s to start with.
47.
So it's 47 nanofarad.
So it won't be that kit. It could be that one.
What? Low resistance and inductance on a capacitor.
Right. So we're now going for monolithic resin dipped ones, which are very much higher grade.
Problem with these is they don't always fit because they're inflexible. Unless the meter's now playing up, because I don't know why it's doing that. $39.95.
That's more.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Right. Okay.
So I just need to go through with the rest of the capacitors.
Yeah. So that's what we're doing to get to the capacitor thing. But you know what? If you've got no experience, no instruments, and you've just bung in the parts to give you, half of which are grossly out of tolerance, you know, how can people expect results? And that's the disappointment. Hello, folks. We rejoin this, having erased half of the what we recorded the other day. So we'll just kind of do a recap. Where were we, Mr. C?
Well, we'd fitted all the coils, haven't we?
Yes, we went through those instructions. We could see that they're all colour coded, and we could see from the instructions when he hovered his mobile phone in its Google thingy translate mode what those colours were. They follow the resistor colour code, so it's not that difficult. And then there was the tuning capacitor, and we had to match up. It says 1, 2, 3 and 4, doesn't it? And then it says A, B, C and D.
If you look at what it says on the board, the printout here is the foil side, and on the instructions it says CA, CB, CC and CD, but it's marked on here C1, C2, C3, so just be aware that 1 is A, 2 is B, etc.
Yes, I know someone said they put one of those in backwards and the tuning was all funny, and then they had to unsolder, which was fun for them. I was looking at a bit of a discussion on that.
The other thing I figured out was how the ferrite fits, and this plastic thing here fits under the under there, and it's kept in by the 2 screws.
Got you?
Yep.
Yep.
So that's ferrite will go in there. That coil will go on that, and that will need wiring up. I haven't soldered the capacitor in yet, but that's where we're at with it.
Yes. Now there was something we were discussing yesterday, and I've forgotten what it was but I've erased it. Yeah. Anyway, we'll come to it. We'll be just for the video. There'll be part 1. We'll be putting this together, and then part 2 will be aligning it. We'll switch it on and it probably won't receive anything, it'll be all over the place, but considering this isn't a transistor one, it's based on a chip, I think a lot of that tuning will be just peaking rather than it not working at all. Right, I'll come back to this.